In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Magic Studio in Canva and start using its powerful AI editing tools in just a few easy steps. If you work with images in Canva, this feature can save you a ton of time by helping you enhance photos, remove backgrounds, erase unwanted objects, and clean up your designs much faster. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your Canva project. This can be any design where you already have an image added to the page. Once your project is open, click on the image you want to edit so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the editing options appear around it. Next, look at the top toolbar and click Edit. This is where Canva opens up its image editing options. After you click Edit, you'll see the Magic Studio tools appear in the left side menu. This is the section where Canva brings together its smart AI-powered tools for editing images. Now, depending on what you want to do, you can choose from a few useful options. If you want to improve the quality of your image, click Upscale. This helps enhance the image and make it look sharper and more detailed. If you want to remove the background from your image, select BG Remover. Canva will automatically detect the subject and remove the background for you, which is especially useful for product photos, profile images, and cutouts. If there are unwanted objects in your image, use Magic Erase. This tool lets you brush over the part you want gone, and Canva will try to remove it seamlessly from the photo. It's a great way to clean up distracting elements without needing advanced photo editing software. You may also see other Magic Studio tools depending on your Canva version and plan. These can include additional AI features designed to help you edit faster and create more polished visuals. The main thing to remember is that Magic Studio appears after you select an image and click Edit from the toolbar. So if you don't see it right away, make sure the image is selected properly and you are editing a supported visual element. Once you've used the tool you need, you can continue adjusting your design as normal and save or download your final project. And that's how to enable Magic Studio in Canva and use it to enhance, remove, and edit images more efficiently. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Canva tips, and I'll see you in the next one.